I particularly like the post-course support. As an alumni, I receive frequent updates and news about the industry. I continue to have access to the course content, including the latest revisions to the syllabus. The career cell at QuantInsti also provides continuous support to my learning, helps me with interview preparation, and frequently informs alumni members about new placement and job opportunities in the industry. My name is HuanJian Chang. I'm based in Singapore. I'm in the middle of career transition, and I spend a lot of my time reading and learning. Fintech and finance have always interested me. I spent my first few years in marketing, and I was very fortunate to have joined a fast-growing fintech company along the way. During those years, I started to work with marketing data, and I really enjoyed working with it. So much so that I decided to make a career switch about 2 years ago. I joined Goldman Sachs as a data analyst under a traineeship program, where I also earned a professional diploma in business analytics from NUS. As a digital marketer, I use a lot of data from both Google and Facebook. They provide me with a lot of information to make decisions on my marketing campaigns. That was my first interaction with data. I actually found that I enjoy working with data a lot, and I decided to make a transition. My next step from a digital marketer was towards marketing analytics. I find that for analytics, there's always a technical component, and then there's always a domain component. And I had several years of domain knowledge in marketing. I just needed to brush up on the technical side. That's where I moved into marketing analytics for about a year before transitioning to data analytics full-time. So as a data analyst, I work with data heavily in Python, which is the main language used in algo trading here at EPAT. There are also many similar topics in programming and machine learning that overlap in data analytics. I find this course to be a very natural progression. One by one on the question, right? My first interaction with algorithmic trading was with QuantInsti and EPAT. I got to know about EPAT from marketing efforts by IBF, the Institute of Banking and Finance in Singapore. After looking at the course curriculum, I was very impressed with the course content and the coverage, and I decided to sign up. I find the course to be very rigorous. A lot of content was covered each week, and there were also weekly practices and homework submissions. So, however, all these contributed towards helping me to get ready for the final exam. Initial expectations were very good before the course started. We were provided with plenty of pre-reading materials. There were various primers online on math, Python programming, and finance. All these were very valuable for a beginner who is new to the industry like me. I was also very surprised when I received a few physical copies of books written by members of the instructional team. For Singapore citizens, the course is heavily subsidized by the IBF, the Institute of Banking and Finance. I was able to take advantage of this to fund my learning journey. The condition to receive the funding requires good attendance and a passing score on a final exam, which is aligned with my motivation as well. I was looking for a structured program to guide me on my algo trading learning journey. In this course, the programming and machine learning examples and applications are all geared towards the same objective. So the instructional team is made of practicing industry experts, and outside our lesson hours, we were supported by a group of teaching assistants. I particularly like the post-course support. As an alumni, I receive frequent updates and news about the industry. I continue to have access to the course content, including the latest revisions to the syllabus. The career cell at QuantInsti also provides continuous support to my learning, helps me with interview preparation, and frequently informs alumni members about new placement and job opportunities in the industry. Even after several months post-completion of the course, I am still going through course materials and recommended readings that the instructional team has shared. Throughout the course, I've gained many practical knowledge, which I will apply into my own trading in the future. For aspiring algo traders looking to join the EPAT program, especially if you are a beginner like me, I would encourage you to keep a dictionary or glossary of terms for quick referencing. Personally, I kept two, one for programming related terms and another one for financial terms. I have really benefited from participating in the alumni discussion and support groups. Coming from the 51st batch, there have been many students before me who have found success from this course, and I find it to be very good to learn from them.